OET 2.0 Day 1 orientation, Edu India 6 batch. We will be getting into the basics, but then it's very, very important. And if you have already attempted the exam, you will know why you haven't scored good in your exam. And 7 myths and 7 facts. Let me put it together. Okay. So these are the 7 myths and 7 facts. First thing is quantity. That is a myth. How many practices you did. There are people whom I send 150 reading materials. They say, I have completed it. 75 bundle, then I have completed it. And they have completed everything. They have been writing the exams. We have people who have written more than 19 times exams in our platform. So there are so many thousands of people who have attempted 6 times. So they reach here at the last moment, as Dr. Ujjwala said, it's our business to reach out to the people so that people are not deprived of these resources which we are giving free. So we have a mission called Each One Reach One. Every day I add at least one health professional to our platform so that you save one family and you may save hundreds of families. There are so many students who tell me or message me after exams and they get the results. They say, I don't know who has added me to this platform, but I will pray for them till the last breath. I don't know. As I say, I also don't know who has added you. Definitely pray for them and bless them. That blessings definitely come to you. So it's not quantity, but the quality is important. How much you practice, how many, for example, we don't give you more than part A or part B or part C of reading or listening for a day. To practice just 15 minutes business, but that part A requires at least 10 hours to analyze and understand as per our strategies. So in the initial stage, don't worry about the quantity, don't worry about the score, don't worry about the time, but go strategically. We will tell you step by step. For example, the new batch will have 21 steps for writing segment. Writing subtest, we'll be training you exactly in 21 steps, by which you'll be definitely competent. There is no issue at all. So it's not quality. Quantity is a myth. Quality is important. And practice is not the idea. Practice, doing lot of practice is a myth that will not give you competence, but the strategical practice. Practicing as per the strategies of the competitive exam. That is important. That's a fact. And the skills will develop only when you have strategical practice, not by long hours of practice or long duration of practice. So it's not the duration, it's the strategies that work. It's not hard work. We don't ask you to do hard work. You have to do smart work. Very simple, smart, and enjoyable work that you need to do. And duration of training is not important. Consistent practice is important. How long? Some say, I have been trying since 3 years, 4 years, you don't require. Maximum you require, I'll tell you, maximum 5 months or so. So duration of training is a myth. Consistent daily practice is important. Several attempts, people book 3 dates together and come and tell me, Father, please pray for me. Tomorrow I am going for exam. I have already booked 3 days. So I tell them, I don't need to require, we need not pray first 2 attempts because you have decided to fail into first 2 attempts. That's why you have booked the 3 dates, right? So duration of training, consider several attempts. Several attempts. Just one single attempt is enough. And I always tell the people I have challenged when I have been doing it offline. We have challenged that we used to refund the whole amount of fees if they don't get the required score. So I can definitely challenge you. If you go as per the strategies and prove me that you have submitted all the tasks, you have submitted the self-assessment forms, and you have practiced accordingly. And if you don't get, definitely I will repay you the $500 examination fee. No doubts, because I am 100% sure you will get it. And so grade B, another myth is that you want to get a grade B. We don't teach here. We don't entertain. We don't want people who want to get grade B here, but we stand for at least A, if not A+. Okay. We want people to go for A. So those who target B, they get psychologically satisfied in the process of practicing. Like when they get 30, 31, they say, fine, I am ready. And they go, they score 340, 330, 320. Okay. Or otherwise 290 or 300, that range. So never ever target B, always target practice for B, A. So you should have at least 34 plus, 35 plus consistent score before you go for the exam. Seventh myth is OET to enter your dream country. The fact is OET for life abroad. English is not for just passing, cracking your OET, but you require English. That's going to be your medium of communication. If you don't have good communication or communicative skills in English, definitely you'll be demotivated, you'll be demoted, and you will be insulted when you are in a country with the native speakers. So always see that OET, your English learning is not just to reach your dream country, but it is for life abroad you require. So those are the 7 facts and 7 myths.